Hi everyone, welcome back to JavaScript coding interview questions series day 6. Today we are going to discuss about the one of the most frequently asked JavaScript coding interview question. Flatten a nested array. Means a array will be there. Inside that there is one more array which we call it as a nested array. So how can we flatten the nested array? So actually this flattened nested array in JavaScript is another classic logical question, very popular in interviews. So without wasting much time, here is a complete step-by-step plan to explain this in our code, which includes the explanation, code and everything. Okay, without wasting much time, let's create a function. Maybe I will take flatten nested array. Let's call this function straight away. Before executing, let's create a array here, maybe 1 2 3, then an array 4 5, inside one more array 6 7. Okay, perfect. Now let me pass this as an argument to this particular function. Since we are passing here, let me receive it here. So I have created a new array. When I call the function, I have passed that as array as an argument. I have received it here. Okay, now let me create a simple, maybe let result simple empty array to store all the data. Perfect. Now let me iterate through the array for item of array. So this for loop will iterate through the given array, each and every item. Okay, so what happens when it is iterating? We could able to get a number, or there might be a array. So anything can come, right? It could be a number or it could be an array. So I just need to check whether it is an array or not. So if array dot is array item, what this array will do, if this particular item is an array, then it will give true, otherwise it will give false. So if it is true, then what I am doing, I'm going to do result equal to result dot concat. I will call this function again by passing the item. What this line means? If it is an array, I am calling this function recursively by passing the item. I have already verified it. It is an array. So when I am passing here, once again this will come here. It will check whether it is array or not. If it is an array, once again this will execute. When this will get stop until this is a number. What happens if it is a number? Else, if it is a number, means if it is not an array, if it is a number, then result dot push the item. Okay, so if it is an array, this line will get execute. If it is not an array, this line will get execute. Okay, so this happens until we go through all the items, all the numbers of the array. Let's see, let me come out of the for loop, return the result. Okay, whatever the result it is returning here, let me capture here, const final result equal to console log final result. Let me refresh. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Super. To check, let me pass one more array, maybe after comma 9 11. Let me pass one more array 33 44. Wow, super. So completely it's flattened. Okay, let me explain the code once again. So I am passing this array into this particular function. This line is straightforward. I have created an empty array. This is the place where the actual logic implementation starts. I am going through, iterate through all the items of the array. In this line, I am checking that particular item is an array or not. If it is an array, I am reassigning a value to this particular result variable. What I am assigning? Existing array concatenation with the new array. So this iteration continues until the items are array. So once these particular items are not array, then this will come to else block. When it is coming else block, it is clear that this particular item is not an array, it is a number. So that is the reason I am pushing here. Like this, we can handle the flattening a nested array. If you see, I have not used any built-in methods like flat method or something like that. So there are methods like flat dot flat by passing infinity. We can flatten the array. So in this example, I have not used any of the flatten array. What I suggest you use, you create similar kind of this kind of arrays. Try to work with those data. You just while practicing, you try to work with those kind of data. Okay, that's all from this video. So if you like to know anything more about this, or if you would like to add any questions to interview this JavaScript coding interview question series, please do comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.